Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed today. My name is Karina Sadidah, and I'm honored to be considered for the position of staff graphic designer. During my study, I developed a strong interest in graphic design and gained hands-on experience. I using design tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Figma, and Canva. I also worked on several small projects such as designing posters, creating logos, and developing brands materials as part of my coursework and personal initiative. I recently completed a diploma in information management at Polytechnic Negeri Padang, 2023 to 2026. This educational journey has equipped me with a combination of technical and creative skill, allowing me to understand how design can be effectively implemented within digital environment. During my study, I also learned about graphic design, including how to use tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Figma, Canva, and other design software. In 2024, I had the opportunity to develop a comprehensive logo and brand identity for Kuali Amak, a culinary business specializing in traditional Minangkabau cuisine from West Sumatra, Indonesia. The brand was created to serve customers, particularly Minang migrants, who long for the authentic taste of home-cooked meals, especially signature dishes like rendang. The concept behind Kuali Amak centers on warmth, tradition, and emotional connection to one's roots. The name Ama is a heartfelt reverence to mother in the Minangkabau language, while the tagline Saraso makan di rumah translates to us if eating at home. It reflects the brand mission to bring the comfort of tradition homemade food to those living far from their hometown. I designed the logo using Adobe Illustrator and further developed design application using Canva. Each visual element within the logo was chosen with deep intention. The Kuali work symbolizes a sacred kitchen tools using in traditional cooking. The sutil spatula represent the cooking process and authenticity. The flame stands for passion, warmth, and commitment to quality. The rendang illustration highlight the brand core products. These elements come together to visually express the story and identity of the brand. In terms of color, I applied a warm and earthy palette, including shades of orange, brown, and green to evoke natural ingredients, heritage, and trust. The typography include Gistusi and architecture, which contribute to the friendly, homemade feel of the brand. To ensure consistency across platforms, I also create a detailed brand guideline, feature color, codes, font specifications, savory logo layout, but vertical and horizontal, and visual mockup. Through this project, I was able to apply my skill in conceptual design, cultural storytelling, and visual branding, resulting in a cohesive and visual branding resulting in this project not only enhanced my technical abilities but also deepened my understanding of how to build a brand that resonates emotionally with its audience. Thank you for the opportunity to present my portfolio. I'm genuinely enthusiastic about the possibility of contributing to your team and bringing value to full and effective design. Please let me know if you have any question. I would be glad to provide further details. You can contact me here.